So, Arlo looked at a normal security camera and said, "Nice. But what if it could spin around like it heard gossip in the hallway?"
Nice.
Meet the Arlo Essential Pan Tilt 2K camera, a plug-in powered security camera with 2K video, pan and tilt movement, 12x digital zoom, and a wide 130-degree field of view. Basically, it is made for people who want one camera to cover more corners without buying 5 little plastic eyeballs for the house. On paper, this thing is preloaded. Best Buy lists the outdoor 2025 model with 2560 x 1440 resolution, 4 MP effective pixels, night vision, and a 2.5-foot night vision distance. The UK Arlo listing also shows 360-degree horizontal and 180-degree vertical movement, which means the camera can scan the room like a tiny security guard who had too much coffee. Now, real reviews are where it gets interesting. Popular Mechanics tested the Arlo Essential Pan Tilt camera and praised the clear image quality, 12x zoom, color night vision, and motion tracking. They said it worked well for apartment security and pet monitoring, though setup had a small pairing hiccup. But hold up, wait a minute, something ain't perfect. Popular Mechanics also said alerts can get excessive if the camera is left in the wrong mode, basically turning your phone into a motion detection panic machine. T3's review of the related Arlo Essential 3 indoor camera also points out the big Arlo catch. Subscriptions are needed for cloud storage and advanced detection features. So yes, the camera is smart, but your wallet may also get a notification. Final verdict, the Arlo Essential Pan Tilt 2K camera is a strong pick if you want sharp video, moving coverage, night vision, and simple plug-in security. But if you hate subscriptions or too many alerts, check the plan details before buying. Great camera? Yes. Completely drama-free? Not unless your Wi-Fi and wallet are both emotionally stable. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.